Yo, what up guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we're going to be playing I Am Cat for the first time. Well, it's not my first time because I played it before. This is not recording it. Let's hit. What just happened? Secret room unlocked? Question mark? Okay, that's weird. That was a weird glitch. But anyways, in today's video, we're gonna be doing the top 30 ways to make Granny mad. Let's get into it. Granny's house, I don't want to stay, I just want to go home. Alright. The first way to annoy Granny is the basic knock her out. Haha, you can't do anything. Haha, you can't do anything. Yeah, I'm gonna let my mouse attack you.
You okay? Far from me.
Yeah, I can. Okay. Number 2 to making Granny mad is by breaking one of her plants. Let's see, now she's mad. Oh shoot.
Monsieur. You okay? Far from me.
Yes, I can. You can't do anything. Zero 426. 0426. Is that the password? Well, I think I wrote a password like somewhere. Like in my room. I'm gonna see if this works though. Two, 6. Oh, access granted. That's rifle. Anyways, another way to getting Granny mad, aka pretty sure number 3. Are we at number 3? Break a plan, knock ready. Yeah, we're number 3. Number 3, break Granny's vase.
Zatraska, you've got to for me. Zatraska, you okay? Far from me.
Yes, I can, and I will. Wait. The cat shall not destroy it.
Zatraska, you'll get far too for me. ask you. You can't find for me.
Yes, I can. Anyways. Number 5. And number 5. It is the making Granny eat cat food. Yes, this is an actual feature of the game. Make Granny eat your cat food. In order for that, she has to be, or she. Oh, no, she's angry.
Open the heel.
Run! Run!
Yes, it's an ask you. Open the heel. You get one joke for me.
Anyways, I'm pretty sure that was number 5. Yeah, this was number 5. Wait, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, that was number 5. Alright, number 6. I think. Let's see. Oh, I know what we can do. Number 6, break Granny's.
Yes, it's an ask you.
Run! Also, while we're here, I guess I'll open the vote. The vote will be open. 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 Welcome, Flip. Welcome, Maidon. Money, rich. They were rich. They were rich. Here, what if I built a wall of money? Ooh. That'll be later in the video. If you guys want to see it, watch to the end. Another way to make Granny mad is by breaking her plate. I'm not gonna break that plate because it's cat. Stand up, woman. Stand up, look at me. I broke a plate with the cloth. What you gonna do about it, huh? What you gonna do about it? Oh no.
Open the heel. You've got to for me.
What's this looking at a wall? What's this? Another way by making Granny mad is by stabbing her. I'm pretty sure this is number 8. Yes, number 8. Pretty sure. Haha, you can't do anything. Haha. Hee 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 hee. Uh-oh.
Yes, it's an ask you.
Uh-oh.
You can't find for me.
Can I feed you? Wait. I want to see if I can feed you cat food. Let's see. Do you not want cat food? Do you not like cat food? Another way by making Granny, I'm pretty sure this is number 8. Number 8. I'm pretty sure. Number 8. Number 8. Feed something to Granny Cook. It's gonna be great. Alright, just gonna put the feed here. Pretty sure it's this one. No. Oh well, that's cool. I shall good enough. Close enough. Alright. Number 9 or 8. Number 8, I'm pretty sure. Feed Granny overcooked food. He likes the pot. He acts a lot old. Hey, Granny. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna feed you some cooked food. How do you like that? Hey, vomit. Come here. Come here.
You'll get larger for me.
Relax. Potty acts a lot old. Relax a pot. Actually, what's about it? Breaking one of her glasses. What'd you get? Who likes the potty? Can't even do anything. Alright, well, I guess. Number 11. Her glass mug. Oh, glass. Didn't even get mad. She was looking at me with in the sense of, or break one of her glass bowls.
Open the shield. You're getting far from me.
Yes, I can, because you literally can't even come for me. Looks the party acts a lot over. First, sure that was 11. If I do it more or less, let me know. I'm pretty sure that was 11. Let's see, what else can I do? Ooh, destroy alcohol. Alcohol cannot be good. 13 completed. me. Ooh, another way we can
Open the seal.
14. I'll be back.
За трошки.
I'm gonna torment you. Who loves the party? Axolotl. Oh. Oh, the vault door is even open. It's not open. Granny, I'm coming. Is he mad? Here, another way for her to get mad is scratch her. Just scratch her.
Open the seal.
Pretty sure I didn't even do anything. Alright. 14 or 15. Make her bald. Or just cut her hair. She'll get mad.
Open the seal.
Okay, I was joking.
Open the seal. Open the seal. You can't fall for me.
You can't. I wonder, can I feed her this fish? I'm sorry, fish. It has to be done. You gotta understand it has to be done. I can't leave no witnesses. No. No witnesses. So long, fish. Come on, Waddy. Okay, now I feel bad for the fish. R.I.P. to Waddy. Jesus. Where's the fish? Oh, you can't. I can't come up with any more ways
I want it.
to, yeah. So, anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to like, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Anyways, see ya.